Friends, welcome to Physics Live channel. Today we are going to study logic circuits. We know that universal gates are used in logic circuits. We have combinational circuits and sequential circuits. Combination circuit in which no feedback, no memory. Examples are half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor, multiplexers, comparators, etc. Sequential circuits that is feedback and memory capacity as the examples flip-flop, bistable multivibrator, registers and counters. Okay. In half adder, that is a 2-bit addition, that is inputs are A and B. Half adder which has two outputs, that is sum and carry. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. We have sum as 0 1 1 0. So y sum is represented by A bar B plus AB bar. Y carry is equal to AB. How we get this answer? Because in half adder A, B are inputs and sum and carry are outputs. 0 0 in which 0 plus 0, that is 0, and carry is also 0, so sum and carry are 0. 0 and 1 in which 0 plus 1 is sum as 1 and carry as 0, that is 1 and 0. And 1 and 0 are the inputs, that is 1 plus 0, that is equal to 0 1, that is 1 plus 0 is 1, sum carry is 0, and 1 plus 1 is 2. In binary 2 representation is 1 0, so sum is 0, carry is 1. So y sum is represented by A bar B plus AB bar. Y carry is equal to AB. Half subtractor in which 2-bit subtractor A and B are inputs. Difference and borrow are the. So here also 0 plus 0 minus 0, that is 0, difference 0, borrow also 0. 0 minus 1, that is difference also 1, and also there will be a borrow. And 1 minus 0, that is difference is 1, there is no borrowing. And 1 minus 1, that is 0 is the difference, and borrow also 0. So y difference, that is equal to A bar B plus AB bar, that's equal to A XOR B. Y borrow, that's equal to A bar B. In full adder 3-bit addition, that is A, B, C are the inputs and sum and carry are the outputs. 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is sum is 0, carry is 0. 0 plus 0, that is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1 and carry 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 is sum and carry 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, that is 2 is 1 0, that is carry is 1, 0 as sum, and 1 plus 0 1, and plus 0, that is 1, 0 as carry. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2 is 1 0, that is sum is 0, carry as 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 0, that is 2, so 1 0, so 0 is the sum and 1 as carry. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3's representation is 1 1. Okay, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, that is sum is the binary representation of 3, that is 1 1. So y sum is A or B or C, and y carry is equal to AB plus BC plus AC. In full subtractor, that is 3-bit subtractor, that is ABC are the inputs, full subtraction in which difference and borrow. Full subtractor in which 3-bit subtraction, that is ABC are the inputs, full subtractor, difference and borrow are the outputs. Y difference is equal to A or B or C, Y borrow is equal to A bar B plus A bar C plus BC. ABC are the inputs and difference and borrow 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1, that is 1 1. How we get this table? We know that is 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, that is difference is 0, borrow also 0. 0 minus 0, that is 0. 0 minus 1, that is minus 1, that is also difference is 1, also borrow. So 0 minus 1, that is minus 1 difference, and also there is a borrow from borrow is the. So like we complete this table. This is the truth table for full subtractor. Next we are going to multiplexers. Multiplexers are called as MUX. Single output from multiple inputs. Rotatory switch is the internal circuit of this multiplexer. Multiplexer is a universal combinational circuit. Consider the diagram in which we have 4 inputs. For that we have to select lines, because we know that 4 means 2 raised to 2, that is 2 select lines. 8 input means 2 power 3, that is 3 select lines. Okay. For 2 input we know that 2 power 1, so 1 select line. 4 inputs, D0, D1, D2, D3 are the inputs and Y are the outputs. A and B are the select lines. 4 by 1 mux is the representation. 4 by 1 mux is that, and the output of this multiplexer is represented by A bar B bar D0 plus A bar B D1 plus AB bar D2 plus AB D3. For 2 by 1 mux, we have 2 inputs and 1 output and also 1 select line. So D0, D1 are the inputs. We have the output as Y is equal to A bar D0 plus A D1. Similarly, for n inputs, we have n inputs. So we have n is equal to 2 power n. So n select lines. So we have n select lines. Representation of the multiplexer is like this. Here we are going to study some mux problems, that is to find out the output by minimize expressions. Find out the output, minimize expressions for a given mux circuit. Consider the figure, that is C bar and C. From that it is a 4 input multiplexer. So we know that the output as Y is equal to A bar B bar D0 plus A bar B D1 plus A B bar D2 plus A B D3. Here D0 and D1 are C bar and D2 and D3 are C. So substitute these C bar and C, and we know that here A bar and C bar take outside, B plus B bar is inside, and AC is outside, so B and B plus are inside. B plus B bar is 1, so we get that A bar C bar plus AC, that is A nor C is the answer for this mux. Consider the given circuit. Here 0 is given, so NOT gate, that is here 1, and one more NOT gate, that is here 0. So here 0, here 1, here 1, here 0. So we get the 4 inputs of this multiplexer. So we know the output of the circuit as A bar B bar D0 plus A bar B D1 plus A B bar D2 plus A B D3. And substitute the values from the diagram, and here it is 0, here also 0, so A bar B plus A B bar. So Y is equal to A XOR B. Consider the figure. Here we know that C and 1, here the inputs of a XOR. XOR means one input is 1, means the output will be another bar. So here it is C bar, and here is a NOT gate, that is here C, here also C, and here we get another XOR. Here also the inputs are 0 and C. So if XOR inputs are 0, means that the output will be another. So here the output will be C. We know the output of a multiplexer, that is A bar B bar D0 plus A bar B D1 plus A B bar D2 plus A B D3. Substitute the values from the diagram, that is D0 as C bar, D1 as C, D2 as C, D3 as C, and substitute the inputs, and we get that here AC as constant from third and fourth term. So we get that B plus B bar is 1. So A bar B bar C bar plus A bar BC plus AC. And here we get that a variable plus a complement group. So cancel the variable and take the sign outside. So it is changes as A plus B into C. And we get the answer as A bar B bar C bar plus AC plus BC. We can minimize multiplexer output by Carnot map also. So we know from the figure, that is A bar B bar C plus A bar BC plus AB bar C bar plus AB C bar are the output terms. So we can minimize by using Carnot map. So ABC, so A here, BC here. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 are the general structure. So we get 0 0 as B bar C bar, B bar C, BC, BC bar. So just substitute A bar B bar C means A bar B bar C. So here 1, A bar BC means A bar BC. So here 1, A bar BC. So A bar BC here 1, A B bar C bar. So here 1, A B C bar, A B C bar here 1. So we know that here also pair and here also pair by wrapping. So we get the answer as A bar C plus AC bar. So A or C. Here B is changing. So A bar C is constant. Here also A is constant and C bar is constant. So AC bar. Consider this multiplexer in which the inputs are given 0, 1, 1, 1. And we know the equation of 4 input multiplexer, that is y is equal to A bar B bar D0 plus A bar B D1 plus A B bar D2 plus A B D3. Substitute the values in the figure and we get that A bar B bar plus A bar B plus A B bar plus A B into 0. A B into 0, this term is cancelled. So A bar B bar plus A bar B plus A B bar. We take outside from first and second term A bar. So we get B bar plus B inside. So it is 1. So we get that A bar plus AB bar. So here we know the identity, that is a variable and its complement, and there is a sign. So we cancel the complement and take the sign outside, that is A bar plus B bar. So we get that is AB all bar, that is NAND is for this output. This multiplexer in which the inputs are here, we know that the inputs of this is here C. So here is C bar and here is C, and it is an OR gate, that is C plus C bar. Here C, here 0. So the output is A bar B bar D0 plus A bar B D1 plus A B bar D2 plus A B D3. Substitute the forms and we get the expression like this. We represent the terms A bar B bar C, A bar BC, A bar BC bar, A B C. So we get the terms like this. Here we can minimize by these are considered as 3 pairs, and here A bar is not changing, also C is not changing, A bar C. Here for this pair A B C is not changing, so BC. Here it is B and A bar, so A bar B. So this is the answer, that is A bar B plus A bar C plus BC. Next we are going to study this multiplexer. So here see, here 5 volt input means there is considered as 1 maximum input 1. So we are considering the output formula, that is A bar B bar D0 plus A bar B D1 plus A B bar D2 plus A B D3, and substitute the 1s and the C. So we get the expression like this, and we can find the Carnot map in which we are just put 1s for the terms which presents A bar B bar and A bar B plus and the A B bar and ABC. So A bar B bar is present in here in this term, here also, and A bar B it is present here and here, and A B bar it is present here in this term, and also A B bar is present here, and ABC is present here. So we can find these minimization by this by a quad, here also a quad, here also a quad. So from this quad we know that B bar only does not change, so B bar. Here C does not change, C. Here A bar is the answer. So A bar plus B bar plus C is the answer for this multiplexer. Here we are considering the multiplexer. D1, D2, D3 are the inputs. Here the higher voltages are attached to the inputs. So we know that the output as A bar B bar D0 plus A bar B D1 plus A B bar D2 plus A B D3, and we substitute the forms present in the inputs, that is A bar B bar C plus A bar B plus A B bar plus BC, plus AB. So we can represent in the Carnot map. here a bar b bar c means a bar b bar c is present here, and here a bar b we can represent ones in a bar b. So a bar b here present and here also present, so 1 1, and a b bar here present, so a b bar plus 1 1, and a b present here and also here. So we can minimize by this by chord, this by chord, and here also a chord. So a plus b plus c. So this is the answer for this multiplexer. Thank you for watching.